This is a super fun hack to convert your colored sprites into their black and white counterpart. For this effect, you will basically require two of the same block, the set color effect. For the second one, you can change it to the brightness. If you aren't aware, the color effect loops every 200 times, where a change in one of this effect causes an increase of 0.5 in the scratch hue. You can see in the costume tab that if we move from 0 to 100, the color remains exactly the same. This is nice, but the interesting thing is that this block completely glitches out when we give it a really high value. So here, I'll just set it to be 1 divided by 0, which is infinity. If you test it out, then you'll see that the cat goes completely black and white. Now of course, you may sometimes want to change the grayness, and this is where the brightness comes into play. If you set it to something like 50, you'll get a 50% reduction in the blackness of the image. It's pretty fun to play with, and I find it really cool.